of that bumper there, rolling along, looking pretty good there. First lap in the books.
Yeah!
Got him.
Got him. Ah, fuck! Come on, girl.
Come on, let's give them a big round of applause. I'm telling you, they're putting on a show for you.
Come on, girl. Catch up. Pass.
12 still in the lead there. Second, third, fourth, and fifth, neck and neck.
There she goes. Yeah. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
Got it.
Right? Oh. He said, I'm done.
All right, if you signed up for the young adult class, get over here in the pit room, get ready. 41's out.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
All right, last lap. Number 12 coming around taking the white flag. Second, third, still pretty tight.
I'll take that tank, John. Get up.
Come on, baby. Get it, get it, get it. Come on, baby. There it is. There it is. There it is. Woo! Yeah,
She's getting a lot of ground since she
absolutely.
All right, there's your winner right there, number 12 in the first heat race. Second place coming around, taking the flag.
Woo!
Third place. And Miss Jamie coming around, fourth place.
Hey, will one of y'all get her water? I don't know.
All coming around,
one of the frozen ones.
fifth place. All right, here we go. We fix to turn them loose. There they go. All right, help her up. Somebody help her up over there. Lap one in the books. All right, she's going again there. All right, young adults, get your mess ready at the start line. Y'all are up next for your main event. Got a good battle for the lead up there. All right. Got a good race for the lead here. Look at here, pass for the lead.
He's doing so good.
Yep.
5 laps, David. 5 laps is all they wanted to run. 5.
Go, Mama!
All right, young adults, if you run the heat race and are able to run the main event, we need you to the line. Young adults.
Ah!
Up, help her up, help her up. Pass for third, second place.
How much more that dirt?
That was a pass for the lead, my fault.
Come on, girl.
She's coming back though. Uh-oh, it didn't it cut off on her. All right, she got it going again. Number 12 is your leader coming around to take the white flag. Second place trying to catch up. All right, here comes number 12, the leader, taking the white flag. Last lap.
Come on. Ah! Yeah, she's fine.
There's your leader, number 12.
Dang it, man.
There's your winner, number 12, right there.
Oh.
Hold up now, hold up. Let the ladies get off the track. I know y'all can't stand it. You got to go.
He's the one that like.
All right, pass for the lead.
He basically has the full version of my name.
Larry Hall leading. Carl second. Third. Fourth.
Yeah, that's not the whole reason I put that seat on there. It came out cracked. All over that bar and like, I need something. Yeah, I found the cheapest seat I could find. You guys from around? Yeah, I live Perrysburg. You guys did the war on? No.
Yeah.
He was the track.
You know who is he?
David.
We didn't out until maybe like a year ago when we first got right after that race. I heard it. That race was pretty big, but it sucked. Like it took all you had just to stay up. Yeah.
All right, stock class. If y'all running in stock, come on up to the line. Get ready to
My
go.
turn, actually. Let's do that. Oh, you the one that come up on the corner, huh? Yeah.
Gap a little bit. Close it down.
I'll save it, and I'll like cut out.
Whoa, look out.
Yeah.
You running?
I was like a highlight, you know what I mean? Send me the video and I'll just like highlight a little bit that from it. That picture.
Gus.
I'll take a video of you on my phone and I'll send it to you. Unless you want me to use your phone, it's up to you. Phil, you going this time?
No, I'm on the fence.
Where's that guy?
Why is
All
that?
right, Larry Hall
Because
coming
of,
around,
like,
take
your
the white
current
flag.
standing?
Puts it in on guard.
I didn't think my
Stock
brakes would
class,
work.
stock class.
My brakes were basically like all up like
Flags coming out.
so like you probably noticed I would just like get a swiper time. The
All
brakes
right,
are a lot
here's the
more
white
sensitive,
flag.
it's,
Larry Hall leading.
you know what I mean?
Carl second.
That
Chucky
lever.
closing
Nice
in on
lever,
Carl
though.
for the second.
Oh, Dad, you go with Chris. I'll come to your funeral. Holy crap, it's all black. Hey, Dad. Since you're going up against Chris, I ought to say some nice words at your funeral.
All right, here comes Larry Hall around to take the checker flag.
$7 brake lever race there.
Carl second. Chucky third.
I mean, we work at a machine shop. I can just ask like my dad or whatever. Hey, like, can I do this quick? And he just. Did I look faster than my dad on that track?
I'm pretty sure you're fast.
Oh yeah, I was going what 35? It's pretty good. We didn't time any. I mean, he's got the whole thing.
Whoa,
on
he
video.
had to mess up the turn, but they got going again.
I wasn't going.
Third, fourth right there.
But that's crippled. Dude, I can't see. Is that Chris? Is that blue light? Dude, it's not even like a race. What the heck? Just can't get him. There it is. Whoa! That was a light hang right there. Taking off. Him. Hey.
Ah!
My dad did not race like that. He wasn't much fast. Oh, that.
fold it up.